Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save a group post to your Facebook page so you can come back to it later, this guide will walk you through every step using the Facebook app on your PC, even with the latest updates. Let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your computer. Log in with your account details, as you normally would. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to make sure your internet connection is stable for the smoothest experience. Now, let's find the group post you want to save. If you manage or access multiple pages, make sure you're navigating Facebook as your page, not as your personal profile. You can switch by clicking your profile photo or the account button and choosing your page from the list. Next, head to the group where the post is located. You can either search for the group or scroll through your group list in the left sidebar. Once you're in the group, browse or search for the specific post you're interested in saving. When you find it, look to the top right corner of the post for 3 small dots. This menu icon is the key to saving content. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these, you'll see the option labeled Save. Go ahead and click Save. Facebook may ask where you'd like to store this saved post for easy organization. You'll be given a list of collections. These can be existing groups of saved items you've already created, or you can create a new collection on the spot. Pick the collection that makes the most sense for you, then click Done. The post is now saved, grouped with your other saved posts for easy access when you need it. You can always revisit your saved items by navigating to the Saved section from your Facebook menu. With these simple steps, you can keep important group posts organized and within reach on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.